guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below for me. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell to see all my future uploads, and do not forget to click all. So today we are going to be doing a perm. They so loud. We're going to be doing a perm rod set on my stretch straightened hair. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. Watch out! Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be starting off by just parting my hair into two sections and just splitting my right side, well, my left side, your right side, into two sections as well. And we're going to be starting in the back. I'm going to be using the Haircare Chebe butter. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I did a perm rod set on my natural hair using this butter, and it turned out just perfect. So I'm going to be using the beige perm rod. I'm going to be using that size on my head, and I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. I will say that I had the toughest time trying to get my straight hair into this perm rod. I will say that it is very much easier for me to put perm rods and things like that into my hair when it's in its natural state. It's very easy. For straight hair, I feel like I would have to use heat, but I wanted this to be heatless, so I'm just putting that out there. But yeah, I will probably not be back because I do talk to you throughout the video. Alright you guys, so this is what we are looking like. This did not take too long because I work with straight hair, but I will say it was a little bit more, it was a little difficult doing perm rods on straight hair. I don't know why. Like my hair kept like peeking out, like it didn't want to stay in, like girl go curl. Ooh. But we're gonna see what the results is tomorrow. Hopefully they're good because I do want some heatless curls. I don't want to always curl my hair. But yes, I will see y'all tomorrow. So yeah, I will say, okay, my hair was kind of cute. Like at first I really did not like it. I did not like the middle part, and the way the curls would just like drop. It wasn't like a tight curl like I thought it was going to be. Very loose curls is what I achieved, but I made it work. Like I managed, I threw it to the side. I was giving auntie vibes, giving, you know, good little MILF vibes. So yeah, we worked with that. We did it. Alright you guys, so this is the completed hair look, y'all. I don't know what I did, but I just feel like I look like this vintage 80s mom, and I kind of like it. But I will say, I have not tried flexi rods on straight hair, but just doing the perm rods on like straight hair was so difficult for me, and I don't even know why. Like, I mean, I guess because it's so bone straight. Like, I didn't realize my hair was so like straightened where it wouldn't even, you know, curl without heat. So this is what we have. Let me know if y'all like it. I feel like I like my mom, but I kind of like this. This looks grown. You know, I'm 27 but I look 15, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me know. Like, I just feel like I'm giving 80, especially with this eyeshadow look. So that's all I have. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell as always, you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video.